Hello guys, this is Valentin from Zexel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a batch payout using a CSV file. Let's get into it. So first you go and log into your Zexel Pay account. And then on the top left, you're going to see plus a feature that says new. You click into it and then you will see a subsection that will show you a new auto request, new batch, and then new CSV file. This is the obvious choice that we're going to do. And then you see information. This is gotta be the description. That's gotta be the title of the description that you're going to put. Let's say you want to pay a batch payout from, I don't know, from your affiliates, and then you do it every month, and maybe you want to do it in this way, okay? And then depending on the currency that you are about to pay your vendors, affiliates, influencers, UCG partners, it is really important that you have to pick that currency. Let's give you an example. Maybe you are here in Europe, and usually you but your I don't know, your collabs tend to be maybe in the United States, and then if they want to get paid, or you arrange that you are going to pay them in dollars. So in here you will have to pick dollars instead, okay? Oh, how about if you are creating one that is mixed? I would advise you that to create a separate one, okay? Even though maybe you are running an affiliated marketing program that is some in Europe, some in United States, some in Latin, and then you have these two currency, I would separate them and then create one CSV file for dollars and one CSV file for euro. Why is this very important? Although on Zexel we do have a conversion rate that, even for example, if you want to do it in another currency, let's say Brazilian currency, or let's say Mexican pesos, or things like that, we also have like we have an API where it does the exchange, okay? The little problem on that is that even though you will exchange it, we will try it, and then you will receive an invoice in euros, and then you pay in euros. If we take more than few days in order to do it, we will focus on pay whatever you converted in euros. Let's say you say I don't know, 300 pesos, that is $50, 50 euros. We are going to pay at we are going to convert on the day that after we receive the amount, that 50 euro into whatever it is on the exchange rate. So maybe there would be some fluctuation that sometimes they might receive less, they might receive more. So we advise you to just, if you are paid your vendors dollars, just try to request an invoice in dollars, and then if it's going to be in euros, so it's gotta be in the same way, okay? So let's jump into it. Let's say you're paying in euros, and then I will show you so you will see the example, okay? This is a very important thing because people just often get confused about it. And then here is the example. How about the information that we actually need for the CSV file? The information that we need for the CSV file are 3 or 4 main information. That's gotta be the email, which is gotta be the most important, of course. We also need the net amount before taxes, of course. And then we also need the currency that you are about to pay that creator. These are the three most important. And of course, you can add the rest of the information. You also will see templates that you can download it and see as example, but use it in that way. And also there are some videos to show you how to use the template. Okay, but it's very straightforward. You can also just download it on your that maybe an Excel file that is not a CSV file, and then you can convert it. You can use tools like, I don't know, ChatGPT, Clouded, just to tell them, hey, give it as example that template, and then give your your Excel file and say, hey, can you convert this to this other template that I just uploaded? I will definitely do it and match whatever you are asking for. Okay, so I have upload that as my CSV file, and then I'm going to create the draft. I have created the draft, as I told you, in dollars, and then it will show the breakdown all in dollars. This what are you going to see in here? What you're about to see in here is the batch information, and then the batch data, which is the total amount that after we convert it, and then this company that I set up because it are also in Spain, so we will charge it the VAT, and then the fee applied, and then the VAT apply in that, and the taxes, in here you will see all the payments breaking down that you have added. For example, these people have say that are requesting actually the amount in dollars, which is no problem. But then the next person that is down here actually requested in euros, and then because you requested the whole batch in dollars, it will do the exchange. Okay, this is from the day. Okay, this is a very important thing. And then because then the other person also requested in euros, it will also convert it. We will only focus on trying to do on the day that your company or we receive the funds, to try to send this amount maybe the days after. Maybe that it could be a fluctuation, because as you know, a currency exchange would change maybe hours or per day and things like that. That's the reason we kind of like advise this type of thing. But you can still do it, and that's okay, as long as you speak to your vendors to try to tell them, hey, we are about to pay you this, maybe you are about to receive this, more or less. Okay, it's a decision that you as a business do. Our advice is if it's in two currency, try to request the batch payout and receive an invoice in that currency that you're about to pay your vendor. Okay, but again, you can still do it, and then you just set ready to pay, and then click on request an invoice. Then our team will review the whole batch payout, and then soon you are going to see an invoice generated in here that you can download it, pay, and it will keep updating the payment status. Okay, I really hope this video can clarify how to create a batch invoice, what are the best tips, can help you going forward to this new version of Zexel Pay. Have a good day. Take care.